Okay, the first one we're going to try is this one here. It's got little bumps all over it. I don't know if you can see it. We're just going to put her down there. We're going to get on here and we're just going to roll it. There we go. Farther this way. There we go. Yeah, that's it. So you got to get your neck on it like that and then just kind of roll through. And this really feels good. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That is nice. That feels great. Ah. Oh. Ah. Get right in there. Ah. Ah. Yeah, that's good. Like that. All right, so that one's it. That one's good. Then I got this thing here. I'm not quite sure which way to do it. I think I'm going to go this way. And this thing's got little spikes on it. And this kind of like bends out your lower back, and you just kind of have to sit here with it. Like that. Oh. And if you look, it's got like little ridges here. You can make it higher by pulling this forward. You can change it. So I'm going to go all the way up. I'm going big style here. Set it down there. And see how she does. Okay, now I'm way up there. So that's the highest setting on it. And you can just sit here, I guess, and it's comfortable. I'm going to flip it around and see if I'm supposed to do it the other way. I don't even know which way it's supposed to go. Let's go this way. It kind of collapses on my weight, but not bad. It's giving me a good workout. So that's not too bad. Here's what it looks like. Check it out. There's where the ridges are, where you change it. See? You can go lower. There's like halfway. And the other thing I got is these. And these I might really like. This is the medium one. And this can get you a good stretch out. And you can do some exercises with it. And this gives you a good stretch on your back. And then once you've got this one, done, once you figure that one out, you go and get the bigger ones. Woo. Yeah, now we're talking. Now I'm way up there. Look at that. My feet won't even touch the ground. Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. Slippery because I've been sweating. But there we go. This thing really, really stretches your back. Wow. Whew. All right, so you can roll on these two. And then the last thing is this deal here. And I like to use this after I'm finished working out. I just kind of put it here. I just kind of relax. That feels good. Whew. Yeah, not bad. So those are my back things. You can get them all on Amazon. This is for your corpse pose when you're relaxing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.